How to create a new blank file in Adobe Photoshop. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. After clicking on the File menu, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the New option. This will open a new dialog box with various options for your new file. In the New Document dialog box, you will see several options that you can customize for your new image. Let's go through them step by step. First, you can enter a name for your new image file. This is helpful for identifying and organizing your projects. The next option is the preset, which allows you to set the width, height, and resolution of your new image. If you want to customize the size, width, height, or resolution of your image, you can use the individual options provided. The default values are based on your previous image settings unless data has been copied to the clipboard. The color mode option allows you to set the color mode for your new image. You can choose from RGB color, grayscale, or bitmap, 1-bit mode, depending on your needs. Lastly, you can select the background contents. This option determines the color of the image's background layer. The default is set to white, but you can choose background color to match the current toolbox color or select transparent to start with a transparent background. Once you have configured all the desired options, click the OK button to create your new blank file. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new file in Adobe Photoshop.